Hello, Odd Job Doer here, and as you can see, we're doing a little bit more magic here with the Melissa and Doug Deluxe Magic Set. And what you're seeing here is actually the boxes, I guess you can say, that the set comes in. So it comes flat with this totally open like that, and now this right here does fold close, and you can basically kind of put your tricks back in it after you're done with it. But if you're doing a little traveling show, this also works as your magician's screen. And you can see there's different astrological stuff, pictures on it. The hinge feels like it could probably, break at any moment now. But other than that, this feels like it's pretty good, quality. It's wood, light wood, but it feels like a pretty good quality piece of equipment. And so this trick here is called the Magic Coin Box. And now this particular trick I like a lot. I've done it before a long time ago, and this version is one of the better ones I have seen. Just because of the build of it. I mean, they really did good on this build. And so it goes like this. You have an audience member out there, and they come to a stage, and you say, okay, do you have a quarter? Same thing. Boom, they got a quarter. And so you go, okay, now look at the quarter, make sure it's yours, right? Maybe you can see what's on the back of it, the front of it, maybe check the date, maybe offer them a marker. And so they can take it and, do a little mark on it there, see? So we got a little black line there in the thing. Of course, now, mind you, this works better with the audience member doing it. But I kid you not, this quarter here, one of a kind now. And so what you do as the magicians, you take it, and you go behind your setup display here, and what do you do with that? You just kind of, so you do some abracadabra stuff back there, and you basically can take away, well, either take away or lift behind. I'll take away this here shield to reveal a box. And see, we got here, we got a nice looking box there. Has a dragon on it, and dragons are neat. And this particular box you'd actually give to the audience member and say, here, open this up. And so you have rubber bands here, you can see, holding it shut. The dragon, nothing in my hands, let's go with that. And so the audience member, looking around, be like, okay, let's take this rubber band off here, and hopefully they don't shoot someone's eye out with these things. And you undo that box and slides this out, and you have another little wooden box that's in there tight. Also has rubber bands. Now this is balsa wood, but it's nice. It feels quality. And you take these rubber bands off here too, and then you slide this door out here, and you go, oh, what's that? You got a little pouch inside. And so just take that aside, and a little pouch sealed with a rubber band, and you open up the pouch and see nothing in the hand, and there's a quarter, and if I flip it over, that is the marked quarter. And so there you go. So you make the coin basically appear in a pouch with inside a box that's inside another box that has a nice dragon on the outside. Well, and gold on the other sides of it. So there we go. Melissa and Doug's Magic Set there, the deluxe version, ages for 8+. This particular trick does take a little bit of setup before you can perform it. But this is actually the biggest deluxe version of this trick that I have. Most of the ones I have are smaller and, you know, just not as neat boxes. And I really like this trick here. Nice. Anyways, if you guys liked it, make some comments below. If you didn't, I guess you can comment about that too. If you know how it's done, you know, don't tell everybody. Just keep it a secret. And if you want me to do some other, you know, tricks, then let me know. So, Odd Job Doer, thanks for watching.